Hey, this is Ken from Karls Equipment Game Servers, and I'm going to show you how to set up and configure your Staxel server, as well as install and update mods. So first thing to do when you log into your control panel is go to your command line manager. Here's where you're going to create your command line so that your server knows what it needs to have for its options. I'm going to click Don't Restart just so the server doesn't automatically start for me. When you create a new command line by clicking New here, it'll restart when you save it. So I'm just going to give it a description for the command line. I'm going to give my server a name. Okay, you can put certain characters in here. I know letters, numbers, spaces work. Special characters can be a problem. These boxes here on the side have to be checked if you want this to be included in the command line. So I'm going to turn on these. This is for your save location. This is if you had a password, public server, disable creative mode. If you hit save, it creates that command line. So it's got those options that I set. Now I have to hit select over here. If I don't hit select, the command line is not going to be used. If I hit select, makes it bold, and I'm good. Go back out to the main menu. If I hit start now, I should see my server start up. The CPU usage is going to go up, and you'll know that things are okay. If you don't get CPU usage or you get an error over here, it probably means that it doesn't like your server name because you put a character in it doesn't like, or something's not right with it. So this is good. Server's booted up. It's running now. You can use it in game. So I'm going to stop it now. And now I'm going to show you how to add mods. So with Staxel mods, first you got to subscribe to them on Steam. Okay, so if you go to a mod page, go to discussions, go to workshop, and you find a mod. So if I look for a mod, I'm going to click this one by Clay. I'm already subscribed to it. You would click subscribe here. Okay, once you do that, you need to know where it saved information from that file. So you can go into your library, go to Staxel, properties, local files, and then browse local files. This will bring you to where the game is, but this isn't telling you where the mod is just yet. Okay, I don't think it puts it anywhere in here. It puts some of it here, okay, because it's installing it in the game for me. But what I need to do is I need to go up a folder, and I'm actually going to go one more folder, and where it says workshop here. If I click on that, then I go to content, and I find the number 4 Staxel, which is 405710. I click on that. This happens to be the number for that mod. If I click on it, there's the file. So this file is the file I need. I need to copy this file, and I'm going to put it on my desktop. Okay? So now that it's there, if I go to File Manager, I'm going to go to this Mods to Install folder, and I'm going to upload a file. And I go onto my desktop, and that's the file I want. I hit open, I hit upload. Now I can close this out. Now at this point, I go back to the game menu, or I can actually go here and go to install update mods. Or there's an icon, let me show you. There's an icon out here, so install update mods. And the mods that I put in, whatever mods, I could put in 10 in there, 20 of them in that file explorer. I only have one here, so there's no drop down list. So that's the mod I want to install. I just click on execute. Tells me it recommends I back up my server. Well, this is a brand new server, so I don't really need to do that. There is an option to back up on your main menu. I'm just going to hit OK. Oops. Execute. OK. I don't know what happened there. So it goes ahead and installs the mod, and it runs the content builder for you. Now, when it's done, it tells you it's executed successfully. But you still want to look here. You want to see installed mods list, workshop ID, got mod name. It's got it all there. Okay, and successfully installed that mod. So good. Close it up. I go out of here. And now, if I start my server, that's it. The mod's going to be there. It's going to work. Okay, all the mods work differently as far as where you can get the items, but that's based on the mod itself. Server's booting up, everything's good. Okay. Now, if I need to update mods at one point or another, or the server, I just hit stop. It saves game progress when you hit stop. Here's to do an update for the game server files themselves. And then if I want to update a mod, I go back to this install update mods icon, and I would just pick the mod. Now I only have one in there, but you would have a list of them, and you'd have to do them one by one to update them individually. We're looking to add a install an update all mods option, but it's not available yet to the game. It's something that the devs have to add. If you wanted to take out all your mods, you just click remove all mods. It's going to take them all out. So what it's going to do is it's going to run the content builder again. It's going to take out the mod, and you'll see that it shows up that it's gone when it's done. Okay, so it removed all mods, and it shows here what it actually took out. So it took it out. Now, if I wanted to put that mod back in, I didn't delete the file that I added in this folder, mods to install. Okay, so the mod is still here. So if I wanted to go back and install it again, I could keep it in this list and put it back in. But if you want to take it out permanently where you can't reinstall it, right now if I started my server, it would not load the mod. So if I go to mods install, I can just delete that mod. And we're good. And that's it. If you have any questions, you can always submit a support ticket or reach me on Discord. Thanks a lot.